Welcome to the World United. Welcome to the World United.
Dr. Anil Kumar ji is an MBBS from Mysore Medical College, MS ENT JJM Medical College, Ravangiri, Fellowship in Respiratory Medicine from John Hopkinson University of Medicine, International Diploma in Classical Homeopathy, and received Honorary Doctorate PhD and DSS from Open International University of Contemporary Medicines, Colombo, Sri Lanka. That's indeed a huge personality here with us, and he's coming from the field of medical science, and talking on spirituality and different energy medicines is fantastic. We are so eager to listen to you, sir. Most welcome, Dr. Anil Kumarji. Over to you.
Thank you very much, madam, for introducing me. Today's my topic is radionics and energy medicine. I've been practicing in Hyderabad since more than 2 decades. Here, the radionics is a remote ailment diagnosis in organism neo-instrumental curing system. Treatment itself is by giving homeopathic pills or broadcast to the witness, usually hair sample or photograph of the patient, with the aid of the instrument, no matter where the patient and practitioner are geographically located. They can be together or miles apart away. Radionics was originally developed in San Francisco by Dr. Albert Abrahams in 1863 and has advanced over the years as a result of dedicated efforts of many practitioners throughout the world, including outstanding personalities such as Dr. Ruth Brown from United States of America, Dr. David Tansley and Malcolm Ray from United Kingdom. UK is the main center of practice for radionics in the world today, but now it has spread throughout the world. Radionics is an advanced complementary therapy in which the practitioner uses pendulum dowsing or radiesthesia and radionic instruments to discover and correct the imbalances in a patient. These imbalances can result from many possible causes, such as an emotional shock and other emotional difficulties, like exposure to toxic substances, viral infections, nutritional deficiencies, allergies, and so forth. In some cases, these impacts result in deep and long-lasting health problems, which may defy orthodox medical solutions. In practice, objective of radionics is, broadly speaking, to enhance the body by strengthening the patient's immune system and self-healing capacity, to remove harmful poisons and toxins, and to increase patient's energy and sense of well-being, not only at the physical, but also at the emotional, mental, and even at spiritual levels. In common with homeopathy, radionic holds that each person has a vital force or energy field, which, if disturbed, results in symptoms in the physical body. Thus, radionic treatment attempts to reorder or retune the personal energy field. This is known as normalizing. In addition to direct energy counterpart to physical body, the radionic model also includes the term subtle anatomy, which comprises etheric field, emotional field, mental field, and spiritual dimensions of a human being. Radionics therefore recognizes and utilizes many concepts of Asian and Oriental medicine, such as chakras and nadis and energy centers from yoga, meridians, energy pathways from acupuncture. It is not necessary for the patient to be present for the practitioner to tune into him or her. Something unique to the patient, such as signature of the patient, hair sample, or photograph, or signature of the patient, or sometimes sputum or nails, or even hairs of the patient, can be used as a witness for transmitting the energies, the medicine which has been diagnosed, and like homeopathy or gem, color, acupuncture point, acupuncture meridian, batch flowers, and so many things we can even transmit to the patient wherever he is in the world. This can happen, we believe, because part of the mind of each of us is linked via universal mind. The universal mind seems to function outside the familiar space and time framework of day-to-day lives. And that is why it does not matter whether the patient and practitioner are geographically located. They can be together or many miles apart. So how the radionics healing is carried out? In order for a practitioner to carry out an analysis and the treatment, the patient completes a case history and gives or risk consent. All information of the patient is held in secret or strictest confidence. Practitioners use instrument to both analyze and treat physical and emotional weakness evident in patient's energy field. Understanding the field requires extensive study. The instrument serves to focus the thoughts of the practitioner, and many types are in use, especially from very complexity to computerized machines to quite simple devices. Once the weakness in the subtle field has been identified, special healing treatment is given, covering entire human anatomy, physiology, bacteria, viruses, fungi, parasites, poisons, toxins, diseases, and factors which may counteract the problem are conveyed to the patient represented by the witness, especially taken from the patient's signature or the hair sample or the photograph or the thumb impression or the nails or sometimes the blood spot from the patient. So these can be used as the witness. And so the treatment can be transmitted to him, especially with the help of a radionic instrument, or we can use through meditations and other techniques, which are, and when we go on increasing of consciousness, finally, man himself will become a radionic machine, and without in different parts throughout the world. How to expect radionic treatment? The first sign of the treatment working may be an increased feeling of well-being. An improvement in physical symptoms may follow. If you have been ill for a long time, several months of the treatment may be needed. It is advisable to keep a regular contact with your practitioner during your treatment in order to be as effective as possible. Radionic treatment can also be helpful for those suffering from chronic or terminal illnesses. The treatment is born beneficial because no costly drugs are used. It is very effective, economical, safe, simple, and being freely from its side effects.
So thank you, sir. Thank you so much for this beautiful information that we have. And coming from an MBBS doctor, it's like, it's like the validation that we always require. It's fantastic to know that a person in meditation can himself or herself become a radionic instrument, because that's what our culture always spoke about. That's what Mahavira, Buddha, or Krishna, Ram, everybody spoke about, that we ourselves, the human beings, when they are able to connect with actual spiritual source, they themselves expand themselves so much that they can pass on these vibrations. And so you're just validating that fact. Thank you so much for being here, sir, with us. And it's indeed a pleasure, and we'll be of course a small token of acknowledgement would come to you on your mail. Thank you so much.